Selling on BigIron.com, March 19th, 2014. 1981 John Deere 4040 tractor. It has a power shift transmission with 8 forward and 4 reverse gears, a 6-cylinder diesel engine, 90 horsepower. The rear tires are 18.4-34 and the front tires are 11L-15. It has 3 hydraulics, a 540 and a small 1000 PTO. It is 2-wheel drive, has a 3-point with no top link. The transmission may need work. Please note that the loader is selling separately on this auction, item number 3B4272-B. For more information, call Dave at 402-395-2173. Thank you for visiting BigIron.com.